Hi, this is Melissa Kaysen, and this is my overview of my lesson plan. We're going to start with learning objectives. The Common Core State Standard is write an informative / explanatory text, including the narration of historical events, scientific procedures, and experiments or technical processes. My objective for this lesson is the students will learn to write an introduction of an essay. Why have I chosen this objective? I have chosen this objective because writing an informative essay is part of the Common Core State Standards, and the introduction is the foundation on which the rest of the essay will be based upon. So it's very important. Student grouping. How will the students be grouped for this instruction? Students will work independently. Why have you chosen this grouping? It's because writing is something that must be practiced in order to master at a proficient level. So it's not something you could really do as a group. The methods and teaching strategies for this lesson. What I will show the students several examples of good introduction for an informative essay, and I will go over the elements of a good introductory paragraph. I will write a good introductory paragraph in front of the class and explain why I'm writing each sentence. Why have I chosen these methods? I chose these methods so that I can show the students what makes up a good introduction to an informative essay. Writing an introduction paragraph in front of the students with explanation models the thought processes of writing a good introduction. Number 4, the activities. What activities have I planned? Students will write their own introduction to an essay using the model I provided during class. I will work independently to evaluate essays and give them feedback. Why have you chosen this activity? Writing is a skill that must be practiced. My materials and resources. Students will need pen or pencil and paper for the writing assignment. Teacher will need several writing samples to share with the students, a computer with a projector. Why have I chosen these materials? Students will need the pen, pencil, and the paper to write the paragraph at the end of the lesson. I will need a computer and projector so that I can model the writing process of the introduction for the students. Evaluation. How do I plan to evaluate the content of this lesson? The paragraphs the students write will tell me where they are in the learning process. I will give them feedback so that they can improve as writers as part of a formative assessment. Why have I chosen this approach? Writing is a skill that takes time to master. Feedback and practice will help them learn better. They should be allowed to write several introduction paragraphs before graded on the skill.